In a radioactive decay chain, 23290 thorium nucleus decays to 21282 lead nucleus. Let N alpha and N beta be the number of alpha and beta particles respectively emitted in this decay process. Which of the following statements are true? N alpha is equal to 5, N alpha is equal to 6, N beta is equal to 2, and N beta is equal to 4. In order to solve this question, you have to know two things. So, if an atom is represented by the letter X, A is its mass number and Z is its atomic number, then if it emits an alpha particle, then mass number gets reduced by 4 and atomic number gets reduced by 2. Okay, so if the same nuclei undergoes a beta emission, there is no change in the mass number, but the atomic number gets increased by 1. Okay, so in our case, 232 thorium 90 gets changed to 212 lead 82 plus some number of alpha particles plus some number of beta particles. So in the case of alpha particles, there is change in mass number as well as there is change in the atomic number. The mass number gets reduced by 4 if one alpha particle is emitted. So if one alpha particle is emitted, the atomic number gets reduced by 4. 2 alpha particles are emitted, it will be A minus 8. It can be written as 4 into 2. 3 alpha particles are emitted, mass number gets changed by A minus 4 into 3, that's 12. Okay, so in this case, the change in mass number is 232 minus 212, that is 20. Okay, so 20 can be written as 4 into 5. So 5 is the number of alpha particles emitted. So N alpha is equal to 5. Okay, so option A is correct. Now we have to find the number of beta particles. So thorium, after emitting 5 alpha particles, it gets changed to a nucleus X. So this will be 212. And what's the atomic number here? For one alpha particle emitted, the atomic number gets reduced by 2. For 2 alpha particle emitted, the atomic number gets reduced by 2 into 2, that is 4. For 5 alpha particles emitted, the atomic number gets reduced by 2 into 5, that is 10. So 90 will get changed to 80. So it will be X 21280 plus 5 alpha particles. But our final end product is lead 21282. So the change in atomic number is 2. Here it is 80 and here it is 82. So we know that for every beta particle emitted, the atomic number gets increased by 1. So here the atomic number gets increased by 2. So the number of beta particles emitted is 2. Okay. So X80 212 will get changed to lead 21282 plus 2 beta particles. Okay, so the atomic number gets changed by 2 for each beta particle. Okay, so the number of beta particles in this case is 2. So our option is N beta is equal to 2, that is option C. Okay, so hope you understood this solution. Thank you.